So it's 8 o'clock at night. And I give to you guys, look at that. So this hen did not make eggs last season at all. So I thought if she's not gonna make eggs this time, then that's it. But put it with a new saddle boy. It's probably about 6 months old. And we've got some saddles. That's amazing. And I've just swapped eggs here. I put a pair in here, they got 2 eggs, I swapped eggs. That silver hen's eggs is there. Then I've got the silver boy with this hen. Oh, that bird came out. I'll have to leave the door open now. Alright, tricky bugger came out. Is it going to come in? So that silver boy with this hen made 2 eggs. So I put their eggs over here. So they'll be looked after well and well fed. Some babies coming out as well. Come back in, that's good. So yeah, we've done that. Some young ones growing up, doing all right. Let's check out these guys. They're the white Serbian Highflyers are doing okay as well. They're doing very well. That's pretty good. Nice crest. They're healthy. The important thing is they're healthy. Let's hope they stay that way. On the top. These got eggs over here. These young ones coming up pretty good. There we go. These 2 come up alright as well. Let's see, very nice. Come up pretty good. And nice looking saddles. The parents got eggs again. The OG babies coming up looking just like him. And then we've got these 2 on the red saddle. Mostly white tail except for 2. Apart from that, it's black. Well, the red saddle's mother was a small black hen. She was the best flyer I've ever had. One of the best flyers. There we go. The nestmate came completely different. Look at that. I have never had that colour in my life. It's amazing. Let's see if they'll stay. I can put them back. Mother is waiting. There you go. Yeah, let's see if I can get one of the OGs. They're coming up alright. Got similar crest in this one. Not much on the red, but you never know. Where's the other one? Let's see if I can grab it. This one's a bit stockier. A little bit different, a little bit more dirty blue. Pretty good. And then we've got saddles. These are younger, but more of like a silvery grey, different. That's those ones that come up different now from that boy with the pill eyes. They're coming alright. White tail. Got crazy different colours everywhere. That's pretty good. The rest of the young ones are moving around, out and about. Got one over here, the blues. That one there, that saddle. There's a couple of reds. That's like 3 reds. That massive saddle. That massive one over here. Huge. You got 2 over there. I think all up, it's about 28 young ones at the moment. And we've just got a fresh egg there from a silver hen. That one over there. So this is the hen that made the 2 whites. This time they haven't got a white one. They've got a coloured with white. Not sure what colour yet. It's very odd how they'll make whites. I was hoping they make whites all the time. That would be insane. And then the blue hen. Nice big blue hen. She's actually made bluish. Could have a beard. Got white around the cheeks. Nice. A blue. Is that a blue or? I can tell. Be a bit of red in there, but mostly blue. Alright. Yeah. They're well fed and healthy. That is good. Yeah. The young ones are doing alright. Young one, look at the young one. Oh, they're both. Wow. There you go, it's on the roof already. Strong birds. We will give him some food. Good go. There he is. landed. There'll be some strong youngins. Yeah, babies are coming out, coming in, fluttering about. Yep, get them in. The doves can eat that. There we go. That's how it goes. Alright everyone, have a good one. One more. Got one more. There he goes. I just put that pair in here today. That red hen compared to that second saddle male. I just got to find the spot.